Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad alternator cable? The first sign of a bad alternator cable is that there's something wrong with your charging system. If the charging system is not charging your battery and you notice that your battery is always running low, it could be a sign that there's something wrong with that alternator cable. If you replaced that alternator before, make sure the alternator cable is tight, because if the nut is loose, this can cause the alternator cable to become extremely hot, and it can also cause it to arc. So make sure to tighten that nut so the cable won't be loose. Also, if the cable is loose, obviously it's not going to charge the battery properly. Next, you want to check the alternator cable for corrosion. You want to make sure there is no corrosion on the alternator terminal nut. You want to make sure there's no corrosion on the alternator cable, and make sure to check the alternator cable going from the alternator all the way to the battery terminal. Also, you want to make sure that part on the post is not corroded. Next, remove the alternator cable from the alternator. You're going to visually inspect the alternator cable at the crimp area. Sometimes strands of wire can come out from this crimped area, and there will be lesser wire on the alternator cable. When there is lesser wire, this is going to cause high resistance, and this can cause the alternator cable to become extremely hot. Next, you want to check the alternator cable resistance. So you want to take your multimeter and set it to ohms. Next, connect the negative lead on the alternator cable, and next take your positive lead of the multimeter and connect it to the battery post. You should have zero resistance. If there is resistance, that means there's something wrong with that cable. Again, you could have missing strands of wire on the alternator cable. You could have a lot of corrosion on the alternator cable. So check the alternator cable for discoloration. If the alternator cable looks greenish, that could be a sign that it is corroded. If you're going to replace that alternator cable, make sure to use the proper size, because if you use the wrong size and the alternator cable is undersized, again, it is going to cause that alternator cable to become extremely hot. It's always better to use a larger size alternator cable than a smaller size. So that is how you diagnose for a bad alternator cable. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.